But I'm not thinking about presents, I'm thinking about the holiday.
So you don't want the present. So is it fine if I don't buy you a present this year? And today we're doing Slime Wars!
If you guys know what Slime Wars is where we make slime, but there's usually a twist to it.
And if you're not already, make sure you subscribe to be part of the Vanessa squad. Also, don't forget that we opened up our new channel. Mine is Nessa Grace.
And mine is totally Taylor. Make sure you guys go check them out in the link in the description.
But Mom, what's the twist?
So you guys are going to do a round 2 of Take It or Leave It.
So if you guys don't know what Take It or Leave It is, it's pretty much where we have to try to sabotage the other one. You get 3 chances to pick which item you want out of the basket. And if you pick the third one, it's pretty much giving the other person a choice to pick whatever goes into your slime.
Ooh, so this is very scary, but let's get on with the video.
Let's do rock, paper, scissors to see who's blindfolded first.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
Oh, I won, so that means I'm blindfolded first?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh God, I'm scared.
Good, I can get all the bad ones out of the way. Okay, I grabbed the first bucket. Here is the first one.
Oh, okay, so I can definitely tell it's a glitter one because of the signs, but I don't know if this is a bad glitter one or not. I'm just gonna go ahead and keep it. Glitters are not bad. I'm gonna keep this glitter one.
Okay. There was the first box. Here's the second. Here is the first one.
Okay, so I think I know what this is. I think this may be lotion. Lotion is good in slime, but do I want to risk it and try for something else? This is a tough decision.
What are you gonna do?
I don't know if I trust you to pick a good one.
I don't trust myself either.
I'm just gonna leave it.
Okay.
Or take it or leave it. Leave it. I'm gonna leave it.
Here's the second one.
Oh, I don't want this one. This is shaving cream, so I pretty much have to give you
a choice, or you get to keep it.
I'm gonna take it away.
Okay, so here is yours. Here's yours. You don't get to feel it though.
What?
It just goes into your slime thing.
But I want to feel it.
No feel.
Ow, something feels like it just stabbed me. Is there anything right there?
A glitter?
Oh. Why does it feel so weird?
It feel like
I feel like you stabbed me.
Okay. Here's the... Nah.
Nah? What do you mean nah? I want that one.
Okay, you can have it.
Wait, no. No, I don't.
Here you go.
Scaring me. I can't really tell anything except that I know it's glitter. So I'm gonna leave it. I don't want it.
Here's
you made it sound like it was a bad one.
Here's the next one.
It feels the exact same as the other one. Okay, well I'm definitely gonna keep this one because I'm not gonna let you choose.
I wouldn't let me choose either. I found a good one. Okay, here's the next one. Let's first start off with this one.
So I think these are foam balls, but I don't know what color they are. But do I want to keep it?
Oh.
I think I'm gonna leave it.
Okay, here is the next one.
These are fuzzy balls. The next one pretty much allows you to choose. I don't want it. Please just don't give me fuzzy balls.
You don't get to feel it. Okay.
Oh no, I'm scared. I've given you like 2 options, didn't I?
Yes.
I've gotten you 2 so far.
Here's the last one.
I'm gonna leave it.
Okay.
Give me a good one.
Here's the second one.
What is this? I have no clue what this is. I'll leave it. Pick something good for me, okay? I really want you to pick something good.
Okay, you may look at your items now.
So the first thing I got is green glitter glue, which honestly isn't that bad. I wouldn't choose it, but I think the color is cute. And then orange glitter.
The first one was neon orange glitter, so then I gave you a dark orange glitter.
I feel like you gave me some bad things in this. You got to pick this one, which was with its body wash.
I don't know if that's supposed to go in slime or not, but you have it now. I didn't think this would work.
And then the next I got white rubber bands.
So you got a choice between this one. You said no to this one, so I gave you the white ones.
And then the next one was the footballs.
There was a bunch of multiples, so if you said no to it, I'd just give you the other multiple one.
Well, I guess now it's my turn to give back and get revenge.
This always like gives me a heart attack. Okay.
So close your eyes. Your eyes are closed.
It's not a glitter.
What? You know it's glued.
I think I'm just gonna keep this one.
You're gonna keep it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh no.
Okay. Okay, so the first one I'm gonna give you is this one. These are pretty obvious.
Oh, I think this is soap. I like soap. I don't like shaving cream. I know that's in there. I think I'm going to go to the next one.
This is the next one.
No.
No. Okay, then this is the next one.
I don't get to feel it.
Oh. Okay.
Wait, why? At least I know it's not shaving cream.
Okay. Did we have 2 shaving creams in there?
No, we didn't.
Okay.
No, we did not. Stop scaring me.
Okay.
Stop doing the meme. Okay. Okay. Please do a count on how many times she said okay.
I'm just trying to scare you, okay? Okay.
Okay.
We're gonna do. What's wrong with this one? You don't smell it. You like smell the glitter. It'll go up your nose. You'll be coughing glitter for the rest. Coughing and sneezing glitter.
I think I'm going to keep this one because I can't really tell what glitter is.
Okay, so now we're gonna hand you this one.
No.
No?
Pick a good one.
Okay, so I'm choosing this one. Okay, so now this is the very last one. This one.
I'm gonna skip. I'll just keep the balls.
Okay, open up your eyes.
Hey, what did I get? Oh my gosh. I got silver charms, green glue.
You picked that out, by the way. You wanted that.
Okay. I got soap, and then I got pretty glitter, and then I got some red beads.
Those are fish bowls.
Fish bowls, sorry. I don't know why I keep calling them beads. Okay, you ready to make our slime?
So
Or glue?
I think literally my favorite item in this is just my glue. The one, I like the color. I think it's a nice color. I should start picking it more
My
often.
favorite is the pink glitter.
What's your worst item? It's covered. It kind of matches your nails.
Oh my gosh, I'm touching glue everywhere. I don't know what to do. Ew. Okay, now I'm gonna add my soap. Make it nice and clicky.
By the way, you thought lotion was soap, and I couldn't stop dying. You're like, oh, this feels like soap, but it was lotion.
It was lotion!
So I guess I have to put this body wash in here. I don't know if it's gonna like ruin my slime or not, but we're just gonna go ahead and put some in there. It made the slime smell really good. So if anything,
You know, the thing I like the least is this red fish bowls. I don't really like fish bowls. You know?
I think my least favorite one is probably the white rubber bands. Did you really have to give me that?
White rubber bands. I love that.
You know, this reminds me of Halloween.
Halloween's
We're bringing back the spooky season. You can never forget.
The spooky season is over.
No!
Yeah.
It's never over.
It's over.
Or if anything, this can remind you of Thanksgiving. It's like a caramelized
Mine's
apple.
Christmas. Look. It's beginning to
Cute.
look.
Don't forget to add your, those can be your ornaments.
Add my ornaments.
No, those aren't your ornaments. The gems are.
Oh.
Oh yes, I love adding rubber bands.
You know rubber bands go in my mouth.
Nessa, why didn't you just put this one in your mouth?
That one's kind of too big. I kind of have smaller ones.
That's what you say about it? Not that there's literally glue and glitter on it?
I think we all got this wrong. There should be no rules in slime. Like, everyone should just be creative, you know? There
Yes,
should-
like why do you have to add glue or activator? Just like,
Well, no, like, be creative on your slime. Like, if it's butter slime, add some glitter in it. Like,
but what if it doesn't show up?
add a lot of glitter. Just, like, be creative. There shouldn't be rules in the slime community.
So you're saying be creative, under certain terms.
Yes, like there's a bunch of rules in the slime community.
There's no rules.
There's no rules, but there's things you don't do. And I think we should not listen to those and be creative.
Mine is looking interesting, to say
Mine's
the
really
least.
looking Christmassy and sticky.
So comment down below if you guys have started to already listen to Christmas music. I haven't gotten to that level yet, but I'm very close to.
I'm just focusing on Thanksgiving. Like, y'all about Christmas. I'm like, Thanksgiving's coming up.
But that's the thing.
I need a safe
From November 1st to November 22nd is Christmas, and then November 22nd is Thanksgiving. Then it's Christmas again.
See, I think Thanksgiving needs to get more recognition.
You think it's
Yeah, like it's a time to be thankful, not think about your presents.
But I'm not thinking about presents, I'm thinking about the holiday.
The holiday? Well, technically Thanksgiving is part of the holiday.
Yeah. Like all the songs.
All I want for Christmas.
Like I want all the things to come that come along with Christmas.
So you don't want the present. So is it fine if I don't buy you a present this year?
Let's get this straight. When do you buy me a present for Christmas?
I'm sorry, your girl's broke, okay? See, no, me on the other hand, you can give me like a makeup palette or something.
My slime has turned out amazing. It is
Super fall looking.
I know. It's like giving me super fall vibes and also like caramelized apples.
It's supposed to be fall time. There's a flower that bloomed in our bush.
It's true.
It is.
Florida's very weird.
It was like, what? The leaves are supposed to be falling, the flowers are supposed to be dying. But no, Florida in fall, it just blooms, I guess.
Okay guys, so you get to vote down below on who made the better slime this challenge. If you want to see yesterday's video, it's going to be right over there. And if you want to see more Slime Wars videos, it's going to be right below there.
And we'll see you guys over there. Bye!